Hey guys, Rob here. Today I'm doing an unboxing. We got two Star Wars pops. Um, I got them at GameStop a couple weeks ago. It was buy one get one free. So I can't pass up buy one get one free, guys. Especially when they're like Star Wars. I picked up what was it number 8, Boba Fett. Yeah, can't really see it because of the glare. But the boxes are in mint shape. Mint boxes. It looks like they're freaking right out of a case of pops. Yeah, but these came out a while ago. So yeah, and I got number one, number one, Darth Vader, which is pretty sweet. Another mint box, not a scratch or flaw, which makes me super happy. I'm an in-box collector. Oh, I hate that freaking camera. Come on, there. It's just a glare, messes with the lenses. But I do want number 2, the Yoda. Number 2, the Yoda. I do want number 3, Han Solo. I have number 4, Princess Leia. So I want one, two, three. 3 of these guys: Yoda, Han Solo, and Chewbacca. I've seen them both of them at the GameStop, but it's like an hour away. So yeah, I'm looking for Yoda, Han, and Chewbacca. Yoda, Han, and Chewbacca. There we go. Damn it. Stop. There we go. Alright, let's open up Darth Vader. So for these guys, I paid $9 for Vader, and I got Boba Fett for free. I hope I'm gonna get some more deals next month, because I'm already thinking about Christmas. It's called Get It Done. His head's kind of wonky. Yeah, yeah. It's just gonna like mess with it or something. I don't know. But here you go. Here's Darth Vader. His head's like messed up. It's cocked off to the side, and it shouldn't be. So I gotta fix his head. And he does come with a stand. I do like this Vader. I like the old style, like that different kind of helmet, like not realistic, the cartoony style. Whatever. Trying to fix his frickin' head. Come on. Oh well. It's okay, I guess. But I'll take him off the base. Closer look. Oops. Yeah, it's a pretty good shot of the helmet. That's pretty sweet. Honestly, it's not quite. It's a gloss finish, but it's not like a high gloss. Yeah, it's a pretty sweet sword. Excuse me, lightsaber, saber. Ugh. It's early in the morning. Still working on the coffee. It's like, wake up, Rob. Mm, there you go. Yeah, but he has some scuff marks on him. Honestly, that's from being scuffed around. It's from the inside of the plastic, so I'm not too worried about it. I mean, if he had a really messed up paint job or something, I'd be like, I'm bringing him back. Oh, come on. There we go. There's. Get back in there. Damn it. There we go. There's Darth Vader. Now, Boba Fett! Yeah. He looks freaking sweet. I do like the nice gloss finish on the top of his helmet. This is kind of bent, but that's gonna be in the box. His antenna. Check out Boba Fett. Oh yeah. He looks a lot better in person. Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty cool. His backpack or jetpack's pretty sweet. His antenna's crooked, but you know, no pop is gonna be perfect. I think it's just glued on. Well, I guess. Yeah. The paint looks. His helmet looks spot on. His body is. I don't know. He's got some paint bleed, which is like, It's not major. It's just he has red on his wrists, and it bled onto his arm, his hand. Get right. Can't see it that well, but it's up on his upper wrist. It bled off there, the red paint. But other than that, he looks pretty solid, I guess. Take him off the base. Oh yeah, he has some issues. He has a paint issue on his down by his boot. It ain't bad. It's a dark gray paint that was supposed to be on his shoe, on the but it's right next to my finger. Yeah, tiny little dark gray speck. But he's not mint, but 99%. He looks better than Vader, because Vader's helmet was like kind of scuffed up. His helmet is perfect. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, it is. Tiny little bit of paint issue. Boba Fett. Boba! Oh yeah. I'm so looking for the prototype Boba Fett pop. It came out, I think, in 2015. And it was a Walgreens exclusive. And the same one with the Spirited Yoda pop. Walgreens exclusive. And there are a bunch of Walmarts in Vermont and no Walgreens. So I tried, but so they're kind of like my Grails pops, because there's no Walgreens around where I live. And it's hard to get a pop where there's no place to get it that you're looking for. I'm just checking out the box. It's pretty sweet. Nothing but a few fingerprints. Another set of clearance pops. Buy one, get one. Oh yeah, I love it. Boba Fett and Darth Vader. And the side. Alright guys, like and leave a comment, and I'll catch you later. Bye.